Today, we're going to explore how to manage upselling in the sales application. Upselling is an effective way to encourage customers to purchase higher value options or additional quantities after the original order. When used properly, it not only increases revenue but also improves customer satisfaction by keeping the process simple and seamless. Let's go step by step and see how this works in practice. First, let's understand the orders to upsell feature. This feature helps you identify sales orders where the delivered quantity is greater than the originally ordered quantity, allowing you to invoice the additional amount without creating a new sales order. To get started, open the Sales module. At the top, click on the To Invoice tab and then select Orders to Upsell. This section displays sales orders where more products were delivered than invoiced, enabling you to bill the difference easily. This feature works when two conditions are met. The delivered quantity is greater than the ordered quantity. The product's invoicing policy is set to ordered quantities. This setup is especially useful for services or flexible deliveries. For example, if a customer initially agrees to a certain quantity but later requires more, you can invoice the additional quantity without creating a separate order. Right now, our orders to upsell list is empty, so let's create an example from scratch. Before creating a quotation, we need to ensure that the product is configured correctly. Go to the Products menu and open the product you want to use. For this demonstration, we'll use a casual denim short. Inside the product form, confirm that the invoicing policy is set to ordered quantities. Once that's done, we're ready to create a quotation. Now go to Orders and Quotations and click New. Select a customer. In this example, the customer orders 6 casual denim shorts. Add the product, set the quantity to 6, review the details, then click Save and Confirm to convert the quotation into a sales order. Next, create an invoice for the ordered quantity. Since the invoicing policy is based on ordered quantities, the invoice will include only the original 6 units, regardless of what may be delivered later. Confirm the invoice, register the payment, and mark it as paid. Now comes the upselling scenario. Return to the sales order and open the linked delivery document. Let's assume the customer contacts us at the last minute and requests additional units, increasing the total requirement to 10. Update the delivered quantity to 10 and then validate the delivery. At this point, more items have been delivered than originally invoiced. This is when the system marks the order as eligible for upselling. Now go back to the Sales module, open the To Invoice tab, and select Orders to Upsell. You'll see the sales order listed here. Open it. Inside the order, you'll notice that the delivered quantity is 10, while the original invoice covered only 6 units. To invoice the remaining quantity, first update the ordered quantity to match the delivered quantity. Change it from 6 to 10, then click Save. Once saved, the Create Invoice button becomes available again. Click Create Invoice, choose Regular Invoice, and generate the draft. Then confirm the invoice and register the payment to complete the process. If we return to the sales order, you'll see that there was only one delivery, but now there are 2 invoices linked to the same order. The first invoice covered the original 6 units, and the second invoice covers the additional 4 units delivered later. And that's how the Orders to Upsell feature works. It's a simple and efficient way to handle additional deliveries without creating a new sales order, while keeping invoicing accurate and records consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.